Hey, this is CopperCarver, and today we're checking out something that's honestly pretty unique. This is the Neewer Basics FL10 Portable Photography Flashlight. Now, at first glance, you probably think this is just a flashlight, but it's actually designed for photographers, videographers, and content creators who want to add some really creative lighting to their shots. The very first thing that surprised me was the size. Seriously, I tested a lot of lights over the years, and I don't think I've ever seen this much light packed into something this small. When I turned it on for the first time, oh my gosh, I was honestly impressed in just how much of an area it lit up. Like, it seriously lit up my whole living room. Like, for something that's easily fits into a backpack, heck, almost a pocket, it throws out a lot more light than I expected. In fact, it's so bright, I'm probably going to bring it on my camping gear because it also feels so industrial. Like, I'll be honest, I don't know if I'm going to use this for videography at all. I think I'm just going to bring it camping with me. I know it's made for photography, but I mean, this is going to be awesome. I'm going to mount it above my campsite and light up my campsite. It's also more than just a white flashlight. You get multiple lighting colors, including white, warm, orange, yellow, ice blue, and red, so you can completely change the mood of your photos and videos. But then there's probably my favorite features, which I've never seen this before, and it's called gobo filters. So it's these different filters that you can actually put in front of your light that helps it create different shapes, which is really cool. I like the idea of that. The light itself has a high CRI rating of 95 plus, so colors look natural on camera, and brightness is adjustable from 1% all the way to 100%, giving you plenty of control no matter what you're shooting. Battery comes from the built-in rechargeable battery that charges with USB-C, which I love, and also like that you can continue using the light while charging if you need to. Around the body, you'll find several 1/4-inch mounting points, making it easy to attach to a tripod, like I was saying earlier, a lighting stand, or camera rig. Inside the box, you just get the light itself, the silicone snoot that you can put around it that kind of expands or tightens the light, and of course a USB charging cable, and a little pouch that you can put the light in. As for the price, it normally sells for around 60 bucks, and although Neewer runs sales pretty often, I'd say that even on the top price, this is worth it. Overall, I just think it's a fun piece of gear. It's incredibly compact, surprisingly powerful, and opens up a lot of creative possibilities, whether you're shooting YouTube videos, products, portraits, whatever it may be, or going camping. If you're looking for a portable light that offers a lot more than a center flashlight, this is it, guys. Anyways, I appreciate y'all stopping by. Thanks for watching in this video. If it helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.